Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 745 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First, we need to press and hold the up button to open the menu, so press and hold it. And once the menu opens, you can use the down and up buttons to scroll through this menu. Now, let's scroll through the menu, select the system option, and then press the start button to enter. And once you enter the system menu, you should see language option. Make sure it's selected and then press the start button to enter. This will open the list of languages and you can scroll through this list by using the up and down buttons. Find the language you would like to use on your watch, select it, and once you select the language, press the start button to confirm and apply it. Like this. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the language. So I'm gonna move the watch to the side, bring our phone right here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. Like this. Wake up the screen on our phone. Open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, we can tap on the watch icon right here at the top. You should see the icon of your watch, or you can tap on the more options icon to open the menu, tap on Garmin devices, and then select your Forerunner 745 from the list of devices. And once you're on the device page, you can scroll down, find the option called General, tap on it. Here you have the language option, tap on it. It will open the list of languages. Select the language you would like to use on your watch. For example, English. And once you select the language, you can tap on back to go back to the device page. It will say that the changes saved. The watch will try to sync, or rather the phone will try to sync with your watch. And after it does, the language should change. So if we go back, as you can see, the language changed back to the English. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.